Welcome to Easy A Homeschool Academy. Nature's engineers, animals that build. Throughout the natural world, animals build remarkable structures that help them survive. These builders use materials from their surroundings: twigs, mud, leaves, rocks, or even saliva to create homes, traps, and shelters. Each species builds in a way that reflects its environment and its needs. These natural designs show incredible problem solving and cooperation, earning animals the title of nature's engineers. Today, we'll explore how animals across the globe design, construct, and maintain their creations, and how their building skills influence the world around them. Beavers, architects of woodlands. Beavers are well known for their engineering abilities. Using their strong teeth, they cut down trees and branches and build dams across streams and rivers. These dams slow the flow of water, creating ponds that protect beavers from predators and provide a safe place to build their homes, called lodges. A beaver lodge is usually made from sticks and mud with an underwater entrance. Inside, there are dry chambers where the family sleeps, stores food, and raises young. Beaver ponds also create wetlands that benefit many other animals, such as ducks, fish, frogs, and insects. By changing the landscape, beavers help create entire ecosystems that support life. Their work prevents erosion and even helps purify water. In many ways, beavers are not just builders for themselves, they are builders for the planet. Birds, master nest builders. Birds are some of nature's most creative builders. There are more than 10,000 species of birds, and nearly all build nests in some form. A robin's nest is one of the most familiar. It's built with twigs, grass, and mud, shaped into a bowl that cradles delicate eggs. Swallows use mud to create sturdy nests that cling to cliffs and buildings. Weaver birds found in Africa and Asia use strands of grass and leaves to tie together elaborate hanging nests that sway safely above the ground. In cold regions, some birds line their nests with feathers, moss, or fur to keep eggs warm. Each material is carefully chosen for strength, insulation, or camouflage. Bird nests demonstrate attention to detail and purpose, built to protect new life from wind, rain, and predators. Ants, builders of underground cities. Beneath the ground, ants construct vast colonies that can house thousands or even millions of individuals. An ant colony includes tunnels, chambers, and ventilation shafts, all built without a single blueprint. The structure provides space for food storage, nurseries, and resting areas for workers and the queen. Leafcutter ants found in tropical regions are especially skilled. They cut leaves into small pieces and carry them underground. There, the leaves feed a special fungus that serves as the animal's primary food source. Desert ants build with sand and pebbles, creating domes that keep the nest cool. These underground cities are carefully designed for airflow and temperature control. Each ant knows its role: digging, carrying, and maintaining the colony, working together like a team of tiny engineers. Termites, builders of natural skyscrapers. In parts of Africa, Asia, and Australia, termite mounds rise several meters tall, resembling miniature skyscrapers. These structures are made from soil, saliva, and wood particles hardened by the sun into sturdy walls. Inside, the mound maintains an almost constant temperature and humidity level, even when the outside air is scorching hot. Termites achieve this by creating a system of tunnels that allow air to circulate, similar to a natural air conditioning system. Each mound houses millions of termites, including workers, soldiers, and reproductive pair, the king and queen. Beyond their impressive construction, termite mounds enrich the soil and create microhabitats for other species. They are an essential part of many savanna and desert ecosystems. Fish and underwater builders. Building doesn't just happen on land. Underwater, special species construct homes and displays beneath the waves. In the Pacific Ocean, the male Japanese pufferfish creates intricate circular patterns in the sand to attract a mate. Using his fins, he carefully shapes ridges and valleys several feet wide, decorating them with shells and coral fragments. Cichlids in African lakes move pebbles to build nests to protect their young. Perhaps the most influential underwater builders are coral polyps. These tiny animals secrete calcium carbonate, forming coral reefs over thousands of years. Coral reefs provide shelter and feeding grounds for a quarter of all marine species. Their growth helps shape coastlines and protect shorelines from waves and storms. These underwater builders demonstrate that construction in nature can be delicate, patient, and profoundly important. Primates, smart builders in trees. Among mammals, primates like chimpanzees, gorillas, and orangutans are skilled builders. Each evening, they construct nests high in trees to rest safely through the night. Using branches and leaves, they bend and weave the materials into sturdy platforms that can support their weight. These nests are built with precision, often taking only a few minutes to complete. A chimpanzee selects flexible branches, tests their strength, and folds them into a stable base. Leaves are then added for softness and insulation. Every night, a new nest is built, showing consistent skill and understanding of materials and balance. Such behavior demonstrates how intelligence and physical ability combine in nature's architecture. Insects beyond ants, paper wasps, and bees. Insects are among the most creative builders on Earth. Bees and wasps use different techniques but share an ability to make strong, lightweight structures. Honeybees produce wax from their bodies to form honeycombs. Each cell is a perfect hexagon shaped for strength and efficient use of space. The honeycomb stores honey and pollen and provides nurseries for young bees. Paper wasps gather wood fibers, mix them with saliva, and form a gray paper-like material. Their nests hang from trees or buildings and can contain many layered cells for their larvae. These insect builders demonstrate advanced planning and teamwork. The patterns they create are precise, showing that even the smallest creatures can be extraordinary engineers. Marine mammals, sea otters, and tool use. Sea otters use the resources of their environment in creative ways. While they don't build permanent homes, they use tools to shape their habitat and access food. Floating on their backs, sea otters use stones to crack open hard shells such as clams and sea urchins. They often tuck their favorite rock into folds of skin under their arms, carrying it from one meal to the next. In kelp forests, sea otters wrap themselves in long strands of kelp to stay anchored while resting. This simple behavior shows how animals can use materials in purposeful and adaptable ways, another form of engineering in nature. The purpose and impact of animal builders. Every animal that builds changes its environment in some way. Some build to protect themselves. Others build to attract mates or raise young. Their creations can also benefit entire ecosystems. Beaver dams create wetlands. Coral reefs form marine nurseries. Termite mounds enrich soil and provide shelter for other species. These builders shape their surroundings, demonstrating how every creature contributes to the balance of nature. From forests to oceans, deserts to mountaintops, animals show remarkable creativity and purpose in how they build. Each structure tells a story of adaptation, intelligence, and cooperation. By studying these natural engineers, we gain insight in both the diversity of life and the delicate systems that sustain our planet. As always, thank you for watching. Tell us what you want to see next. Email ezahomeschoolacademy@yahoo.com. Like and share our videos. Please subscribe to our channel.